Close your eyes for a moment. Let your mind drift back.
To a time many of us have only seen in sepia-toned photographs or flickering old newsreels.
Imagine a downtown. Not just any downtown, but the downtown.
The beating heart of an American city in 1955. Picture it, the air alive with the symphony of urban life. Trolley bells clang a rhythmic tune, punctuated by the cheerful chatter of shoppers spilling out of department stores with elegant awnings.
The scent of roasting nuts from a street vendor mingles with the sophisticated aroma of perfume from a bustling boutique.
And the comforting promise of fresh bread from a bakery.
Women in smart dresses and hats, men in crisp suits, children clutching their parental hands, all moving with a purpose.
The sidewalks are a river of humanity, vibrant tapestry of faces, each one.
Storefronts gleam, displaying everything from the latest fashion to household gadgets, inviting you in with their promise of progress and possibility.
This wasn't just commerce, it was community. It was where life happened.
Where dreams were pursued, where the pulse of America felt strong and steady. I remember my grandmother telling me stories of those days, her eyes sparkling with a nostalgic glow.
She'd described the sheer joy of a Saturday afternoon downtown, the excitement of seeing friends, the thrill of discovering something new.
It was an experience, a ritual, a cornerstone of civic identity. Every city, big or small, had it.
But then, something shifted. Slowly, almost imperceptibly at first, the river of humanity began to thin.
The whispers of change grew louder, the siren call of the suburbs, the convenience of sprawling shopping malls with their vast parking lots.
One by one, the grand department stores closed their doors, their ornate facades falling silent.
The independent shops, the family-run businesses that had stood for generations, found it harder and harder to compete.
The vibrant tapestry began to fray, threads coming loose, colors fading.
Today, if you were to walk those same streets, the contrast would be stark enough to take your breath away.
The bustling avenues of yesteryear now echo with an unsettling quiet. Where laughter and conversation once filled the air, there's often only the distant hum of traffic or the rustle of a forgotten plastic bag caught in a gentle breeze.
Boarded up windows reflect a sky that feels emptier.
And the grand old buildings, once symbols of ambition and success, now stand as silent sentinels to a bygone era.
The vibrant river of humanity has receded, leaving behind a parched landscape of concrete and brick.
Nowhere is this transformation more poignantly illustrated than in the story of Detroit. Once, Detroit was the very embodiment of American industrial might and innovation, a city that literally put the world on wheels.
Its downtown was a marvel, a hub of commerce, culture, and relentless progress. The elegant marquees of theaters lit up the night, drawing crowds for dazzling performances.
But then came the decline, a slow, painful descent that saw much of Detroit's downtown hollowed out. The jobs moved, the people followed, and the once proud heart of the city began to falter.
In Staples, the mind plays a cruel trick when you try to reconcile the images. On one hand, the vivid, almost cinematic memory. It's like a match cut in an old film, one scene dissolving into its antithesis, the vibrant past fading into the desolate present, leaving you with a profound sense of loss and a chilling question. How could something so vital become so vacant? The empty storefronts, the vacant lots where grand buildings once stood, the profound silence that hangs in the air.
It's a powerful, almost mournful testament to the fragility of even the most robust urban centers.
It's easy to look at these scenes of decline and feel a sense of despair. to believe that what is lost can never be regained. It's easy to mourn the past, but to do so would be to miss the profound lesson. Because here's the truth: decline is not destiny. Emptiness is not an end. It is merely an invitation.
An invitation to reimagine, to rebuild, to rediscover the very essence of what makes a place a community.
The spaces that once bustled with one kind of life are now waiting, pregnant with the potential for another.
The quiet streets are not dead, they are simply resting, waiting for new voices, new ideas, new dreams to fill them.
The story of our downtowns, the story of places like Detroit, is not just a tale of loss. It is a profound narrative of resilience. It is a testament to the enduring human spirit, to our innate desire for connection, for shared spaces, for beauty, and for purpose.
These abandoned corners are not merely relics of the past. They are blank canvases for the future.
They challenge us to look beyond the decay, to see the potential in the bones of what remains.
They call upon us to remember the power of community, the strength of local enterprise,
and the profound impact that a single, passionate individual or a small, dedicated group can have on the fabric of a city. The very emptiness that once felt so disheartening now represents boundless possibility.
It's a chance to build something new, something more inclusive, more sustainable, more reflective of who we are now.
It's an opportunity to create spaces that are not just for commerce, but for creativity, for innovation.
The decline of downtowns isn't the end of a story, it's merely the end of a chapter.
And the opening of a powerful new one.
And that, my friends,
is where the real inspiration begins.
After the darkness, the light returns. This is our moment.
Subscribe for more journeys.